Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Click Count Popup using PopupKit Pro, so your pop-up appears only after a visitor clicks a specific number of times on your page. This feature is available in PopupKit Pro, so make sure the Pro version is installed and activated. Let's get started! From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to PopupKit Templates. Choose any template you like, and click Use Template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, edit the content, text, images, and buttons to match your campaign goal. Click on the campaign settings icon and go to the Content tab. Under Display Options, set the Open Event to Click Count. Now, you'll see an option to choose the number of clicks required before the pop-up appears. In this video, we're setting it to 4 clicks. This means the pop-up will show only after a user clicks 4 times on your website. Once everything is set, click Publish to make your pop-up live. And that's it! Now your pop-up will appear only after a visitor clicks 4 times. A great way to engage more active users without interrupting the browsing experience too early.